Introducing FacilityGOTO, the ultimate solution that simplifies, optimizes, and supercharges facility and maintenance management like never before. Designed by experts, FacilityGOTO offers cloud-based access anytime, anywhere, keeping you on top of operations with ease. FacilityGOTO transforms facility management into a seamless automated process. Built to reduce downtime, cut costs, and ensure your facility runs smoothly no matter where you are. Goodbye to complexity. FacilityGOTO's Inspector app lets you manage unit readiness, site visits, inspections, and safety checks, all from your mobile device. The Tenant app enhances experiences by allowing easy maintenance requests, tracking service status, and accessing asset records. Convenience at their fingertips. Seamless vendor management is just a tap away with our vendor portals. Manage profiles, view contracts, submit invoices, and track payments effortlessly. Streamline maintenance tasks with the Worker app. Handle assignments, complete work orders, and report in real time from any device. FacilityGOTO provides advanced scheduling, preventive maintenance, and procurement integration for efficient vendor management and asset optimization. Comprehensive dashboards provide real-time insights into inspections, vendor performance, maintenance tasks, asset consumption, and financials, empowering informed decisions. Elevate your facility management game with FacilityGOTO, the smarter, simpler way to efficiently take control of all your operations. Visit propertyautomate.com to see how FacilityGOTO can revolutionize your business.